Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Check out these Linkind solar LED spotlights. It's a StarRay G2 series, and this is a 2-pack. Kind of futuristic looking there. We have little mounts if you want to mount it on an outdoor thing. Also has these landscaping spikes. So if you would wish to just stick this into the ground, has this nice plastic spike there. Just throw that into the ground, and then that goes in on the top, obviously. Then our light attaches to that, and it's going to be able to rotate whichever way we want to. So that's pretty cool. So I like that it has that ability to either mount it on like a fence or something with these, or just put it into the ground for a nice little landscape lighting. These solar lights have actually really come a long way. They used to be kind of dim landscape lighting. Notice solar light can only be turned on, adjusted in darkness, or when the solar panel is completely obscured. All right, so it says charge at 48 hours before use. I think this is just the top here, so I'm going to try to just remove this little sticker here. Huh. That actually looks really cool. This whole top portion is a solar panel. Obviously has a built-in battery there, and then we have our power button right here. I'm going to see if it'll test right now. If I turn off my light, maybe it'll come on there and then hit my power button. Cool. Whoa, that is bright. This has a red light there if you want. And then a green one, LEDs there, blue, yellow, there's a purple, there's a lighter blue, there's kind of a pink, and there's our white. But check that out. Haven't charged these yet at all, and just look in the background here. This is like, just puts out a lot of light right off the bat. That's really impressive, and I like that you can just change all the colors there. That's really cool, and it's light detecting also. So when it gets dark, your light's going to come on. Obviously, when the sun comes out, it's going to just go off and charge itself. Super cool. I like the look of them. They look just kind of like futuristic and stuff. I'm going to go put these out in the backyard, and we can check them out. But I like that you can just adjust all the different colors. You could just even like shine them up on your house, or perhaps if you have like your address up there on the wall, and just throw that up on a different color. So it just kind of highlights that if people are driving by at night and you need them to see your address, and perhaps your friends are trying to locate your house, that'll just be like, hey, look for the one that's got the light shining up on the address. So that's really cool. These are really neat looking. I like they put out a lot of light. I can tell already just in my house here. So I'm gonna go set these up and show you what they look like outside. Hey friends, so here we are. You can check out these. I got one in each corner of the garden there, and they're putting out a lot of light actually, as you guys can see. It's really bright. So just having a little pathway, you could have these on a path or something, and then we're just gonna change the colors on here. Check that out real quick. So you'd have the red ones, or ones that change. So right now, I just switched it so it's like basically pulsing in between the colors right there, that first one. I think that looks really cool. If you want to just go through the different colors, it is nice. And then you can have it at red. There's the red light. There's green, blue, yellow, pink or purplish, a light blue. There's the white one right there. Oh wait, is that? Or is that like a pinkish one? I think that's a little bit of a pink one there. Yeah, there we go, and there's the white one. So, all in all, they work really good. It just rained out here too, so they're waterproof. It's kind of nice. We had these this forest fire that's been pretty near, so the rain should help out a lot. But there was some lightning strikes too, so hopefully that didn't cause more fires. But yeah, they put out a lot of light.
They're really bright. They have a good sized solar panel on there also though, this whole top part, as you can see. And then just put this in the ground. I just shove this down into the dirt there, super easy, and put that on top. And then there's a little screw here on the bottom, just attach that. And then this can rotate up and down if you just loosen this screw. Just a couple twists here, and then you can adjust that. Say if you want like a kind of a light that's up a little bit more or shining up on a wall or something like that, and then you can just tighten it down again. But I thought just kind of level right now, it lightens up the ground, and you can see really nice. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.